Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Tapi jangan lupa guys, klik tombol subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Dengan subscribe kamu support channel ini terus untuk upload hampir setiap hari. Ingat, subscribe itu gratis.
So first, place your index finger on the 5th fret, your ring finger on the 8th fret, and then we're gonna tap the 12th fret with our middle finger. We have to tap it really hard in order to get some sound out of it. Like that. And then we're just gonna do a downward motion, like this. 1, 2. And the final step is to do this downward motion with the ring finger. So, from the beginning, 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, have a closer look. 1,